All right. So let's talk about the basic things first, as Naresh suggested. So what, Naresh, just tell me what are the basic things you were talking about? Please share your thought about basic things so that I can just do the basic things first, okay? Let's talk about the basic things first, then we can just have the conversation. Cannot deploy. Okay, what you cannot deploy? You tell me what you cannot deploy. Yes, we I just shared the link here, so you can actually just see this YouTube channel. I have uploaded all the videos on this. I will upload all the webinar recordings also, so you can just watch them. So this is here we go. Okay. All right. So let's talk about the deployment first. I will just build an app, okay, from the basic. So let's talk about I'm going to build an app for, let's say, outreach, or let's say think tank AI. Okay, I will just clone this app. You can build any app by prompting, or you can just have an app by deploying a template or app from App Store. So I'm going to install it. Okay, to deploy in the new version of xBesh v1.2.3, you don't have to run the app, or you don't have to do anything. You can just deploy the app by click on deploy button, or you can just push the code from here to GitHub. So I will recommend to just do it using GitHub. Okay, Naresh, make sure you are just doing it using GitHub, right? I will show you both the ways how to do this. So if you just go to GitHub to push the code, click on GitHub to push, enter your project repo name. I'm going to enter name Naresh. Okay, user Naresh user, and I'm going to click on push to GitHub. All right, enter my initial commit comment. Project is being pushed to the GitHub. I will open my GitHub account to show you here. So if I will search Naresh, see this project has been deployed on GitHub. Okay. And from here, I will just push it to the Vercel. So it is very simple. You come to the Vercel here and click on add new button, click on project. Okay. And from project, you can deploy your project from by just click on importing the wrapper which you have just created. So click on import button here. You need to just enter the environment variables. If you don't have any environment variables, you can click on simple deploy button. What is environment variables? I have explained it multiple times in all my previous webinars, but I will re-explain in this webinar also. Okay. All right. So let's deploy this first. See, project is deployed. Click on continue to dashboard. See, project is deployed here on the Vercel. If I'll click on this button, my project is live, and I can actually integrate. This project is also like running perfectly fine. I can connect my Gemini AI API here, and the code is actually on this. So you can actually just check the code. This is the public repo. You can check it by yourself, and you can try just importing this project to your xBesh account, and from there you can redeploy that. Okay. All right. Now project is deployed. You can connect it with your own custom domain. So let's say my custom domain. I'm just giving you the demo, Naresh, because you mentioned the please explain the basic thing. So this is the basic thing I'm trying to explain it to you. Okay. Okay, I will show you the how to deploy it from the button also. So you come here on the project. Let's say if I'm here, and I will just come to this button, deploy to Vercel. Okay, I will click on this button. You see deploying to Vercel. It is being deployed here. Again, building and deploying your project. And I'm doing it on xbesh.dev, which is live. So once it is deployed, you see, you can click to go to your Vercel account here. Under the project, this project is just deployed. This is the project which we deployed as Naresh user 2 minutes ago. This is just deployed. When you just click on this link, you can open it from here. So it is perfectly fine, right, Naresh? Is there anything you can have? Yes. So how to use your images from asset library, I will show you. Right now, you can actually, there are two ways to do this. Inside the media library, you can upload your images, okay? By click on upload button, you can upload all your images from here, and you can just use, if you want to use any image, let's say I want to use this logo, okay? I want to use one of my logos. Let me just see which logo I can use. Okay, I don't have any logo. I can re-upload it. xBesh logo. Okay, so if let's say I'm going to upload this logo from here, this is SVG file. I just need a PNG file, this one. Okay, and this logo is being uploaded from here to the server. See, it is uploaded. You can just view the preview from here. You can copy the URL also from here. Okay, come back to your project. Let's say if I will just go to my projects, I will open my existing project from here. All right. And I'm going to say, let's say, install pnpmi. And I'm going to pnpm run dev. Okay. If I want to just use the logo, the logo which I have just uploaded, I will say, please use this logo. I just share the link. Okay. Uh, I will just have to, okay, right now this version is actually taking the localhost URL, which I have already replaced with the xbash.dev URL. I will just like next time when you just copy the URL, it will be xbash.dev. Fran actually suggested this, pointed out. We have already fixed it. So let's say I'm just going to use this URL from here. Let me just try to open the URL logo link, whether it is working. Yes, it is working. And I will say use this. In the next update, which we are doing maybe in next 2 days, this update is going to be we are going to integrate the media library inside the builder itself. So you will be able to choose which image you want to use. Okay. So from here, like you are choosing your files, this button is going to be integrated with the media files. Okay, so right now it is connected with the computer file, but it is going to be connected with the media. So you will be able to choose your media files, and we have integrated media in all like every images or document pickers. I will show you in the local host also how it is going to look like. Yes, Susan, we will definitely do that. Yes. Hey, Paul. Okay, Naresh, is there anything else you have confusion about? So I can start the webinar after after this. Please tell me if you have any confusion about it. Okay, about deployment. If you, I will give you a hint. If your project is not being deployed by by the deployment built like this button, it means you must have some kind of bugs. So always run one command if it is not being deployed. Okay, the command is pnpm run build. Okay, I will just share this in the link in the chat to everyone. This is before this is before deployment. Okay, deployment. So if you have any kind of deployment issues, you can run this command. This is to test whether you have any error in your code or not. If it is built successfully, it means it is ready to deploy. Okay, so this is to test like this. It means there is no bug. Okay, it is ready to deploy. Let's say I'll give you an example. Let's say my code, let's say it has a bug here. Okay, I will save it and I will rebuild it. If I will rebuild it, if it has a bug, it will show. See, it has a bug. So we need to fix that bug. Red means bug. So I will just fix it from here. I will resave it. I will rerun the command. So it will show you how to deploy, how it is ready to deploy or not. See, now it is ready to deploy. This is a very, very basic thing in vibe coding. So if you are just, if you want to deploy some project, you can build it. You should build it before deployment. So building is very important. Build is actually, it gives you the kind of idea whether your project is ready to deploy or not. Okay, so always just run this command. But I have already added all the commands here. You see the tiny button here. If you click on this button, you see this, all these commands are here. So build project, you can see this command here, build project, pnpm run build. You can just click on this run now button and it will start building it for you. So I have already added those commands inside the workbench already. I think you have missed all these commands here. So if you want to just see what are the commands, you can click on this button here and you can see all the commands here. Okay. So install dependencies, install and run preview server, start development. If you want to start development server, you can click on run now. So it will actually run your preview. If you have any kind of error here, we have a error preview like option here. So let's say I'll give an example. Okay, it is going to fix the bugs automatically. I'm going to make an error here. Let's say I'm going to make an error on this one. Okay, I'm going to click on save, come back here, try to run the project. Wait, not the DOM, on the app. Okay, I will come here. The project is not running right now. I will try to rerun. Okay, I think I just did something wrong here. Let me just do this on some other file. Wait here. Okay, so you see, we got some kind of error here in the, if you just refresh it, we got this error. Click on fix this error button. If you just click on fix this error, it will actually fetch your errors and it will start fixing it for yourself. So if we have the bug tracking system inbuilt now, which you can actually use to fix your bugs and errors by just one click. If you have multiple bugs, it gives you one button on the top, header of the bug tracking system, which is going to give you the fix all option, which you can click on this button, which is going to fix all of you, all bugs for you. Right now, uh, right now, AutoFix is going to give you the option to fix bugs automatically. So right now you have this option. If you click on this setting button, okay. By the way, this setting button is inside the workbench only. If you go back, the setting button is not be there because these settings are related to the workbench. The workbench means the chat, the workbench, the terminal, and all of it. So we call it workbench. So this workbench you can manage from here, like you can hide chat panel, you can show workbench, you can change the layout. Okay, so all these settings are related to the workbench only. Everything, whatever we are doing here is actually going to change the look and feel, the layout, the option in the workbench only. Okay, now see, the issue has been fixed, and if you just go back to the preview, it is actually going to generate it. Just a moment. But I can see the issue is fixed already. There is no error. It's actually saving the project on the cloud, which has already been saved now. I will rerun the project, or I can just run the command from here also. See, there is no error anymore. So that's how you can actually fix your bugs using the bug tracking system. Okay. All right. So anybody is having any kind of a question, we can definitely reply to the questions at the end of the webinar. Okay. But uh, where is the new logo? Okay. So, oh yeah, it's a new logo. Let's go for the logo. You can say, please change this file as new logo. Okay, I'm going to copy the logo from here. Just a moment. What was the name of the logo link? Let me just reopen this. Media in a new tab. Here we go. Going to get the URL. Okay, going to paste it. Going to change the link for now. That link has been fixed already in the new version, which is going to be live xbesh.dev. And bingo. Now just wait for a few seconds. It is changing the file here, as you can see. We'll just wait for a few seconds. And I will give you the prompt also, so you can use in your own browsing. URL of an image. Simple, okay? Now our file is being written. It's going to take a few seconds. Because I'm recording this webinar, my browser is working a bit slow. It's fine. In the meantime, I can show you other features. It's being done. I will show you the new logo, updated logo. Okay, no worries. Okay, so for the creators and for the all users, first of all, for all users, okay, I have done a change, a major change. So you can see your apps here on the App Store, okay, for all your apps. And if you just want to upload your apps, let's say you want to upload your own apps to the App Store, you can actually go. Okay, let me just open it to the local host. Right now, it is not on the local host. Wait, because the feature is not live yet. I'm going to make it live. So this is the update for App Store. Okay. So for the App Store, if you just click on the App Store now, this is our new App Store, completely updated, a new App Store. Now you can publish your own app from here. Okay. So to publish your app, if you just click on this, see, this is for the creators. Okay. Publish your own app. You can actually enter your information about your app, like what is the name of your app, what is the tagline. I'll give you an example. So let's say I'm going to upload AI startup idea generator AI, and this is an amazing AI to generate ideas. Okay, so dismiss. Okay, it is going to be productivity. Let's say the application type is web application. The repo is, I will use the Naresh URL https github.com/madhavdatta/Naresh project. Let me just get the link. Wait. Naresh user. Okay. So this is the, let's say, URL, which I'm going to use here. Here we go. Your version, your license, you can, if it is free, you can have Apache license, BSD license, commercial license, any license. If it is paid, just go for the proprietary or commercial license. Okay. Now you enter the tech stack. Let's say it is going to be TypeScript, comma, let's say CSS, comma. You can have Supabase, let's say, have AI, Gemini. So you can have your own, all the tags, whatever tags you want to, Gemini. It is going to be free or paid. You can choose, and you can actually connect your own Stripe. I will show you how. Okay. Free right now, let's say it's free. Here, I just want, as I mentioned, we are going to integrate your media bucket, like your media a picker everywhere like this. So app icon, which I'm going to click on this, and you know what it will do? It will open the media library. All your images like this going to be visible. So I'm going to choose one icon from this. If I don't have any icon, I can upload to the media. Okay. So let's say I'm going to use this icon, and I can see the preview also here in the right hand side. If I click on any image, I will see the preview, and I will get the information about the file, what is the size, what is the privacy mode, when it was created and all. I'm going to choose, let's say this is the image which I'm going to use. Click on the select file. See, the app icon has been selected. Now I have option to choose screenshot or thumbnails, okay, for the app. And I can choose multiple screenshots, like a one screenshot, two screenshots, and I can choose screenshots from the file. So let's say this is my first screenshot, okay? And this is my new screenshot, second screenshot. And this is my third screenshot, which is going to be this, okay? Now you have the demo video. You can choose demo video from the files, your video files here, which I'm going to choose. Let's say this video I'm going to go with, or I can just enter the external video link, like YouTube link or demo, like Vimeo link and all, okay? Now you just click on, thank you, Naresh. I'm so glad you deployed your app now. Very nice. Okay, so in the short description, you can enter the description like, I want to, okay, let's something like this app is going to be the best idea generating AI app or something like that. Okay. Detailed description, you can write more information about the app, and additional information, your support email, your website URL, your demo URL, or documentation URL, which you need to just provide for the app. And it is important. Okay. Without this information, your app will not be approved. So enter the URL of your app, and demo and documentation, and your website and your email. Imagine by posting your apps or your products will be accessible by thousands of other users. Okay. So make sure whatever information you are mentioning here is going to be is going to go through the approval process from the team xBesh. We will just go through the app and we will approve it. Okay. And now I will just click on this button. I can have the tags here, TypeScript, all right, JavaScript, or whatever. I just have the tags, vibe coding, okay, and all. Now I will just click on publish this app immediately to the App Store, or this app requires admin approval. This is not for you. This is for myself, because I'm an admin, but you will always be like this. This app requires admin approval before publishing, because like anybody can publish any random stuff, which can be awkward for other users also. So it has to be approved from the admin first. So let's say I'm going to say publish immediately right now. Don't go for the approval, and click on publish app. And now app has been published. You just go to the App Store here, inside the App Store, the app which we have just created here, the AI idea generator, it should be here now. See, startup idea generator AI. This is productivity. This is free. If you click on this app now, you will see all the images which we have uploaded are visible here inside your app generator app page. And from here, you can install also this, right? So this app can be installed from here, right? You can see the demo from here. You can see, and if somebody wants to install the app, can click on install now button, and as soon as you click on install now button, or this app will be installed in your xBesh builder. Okay, like earlier, it used to be there earlier also. So this is how you can start selling your apps on xBesh by being a creator. For the users also, we are going to have one amazing option for the users, and the option is going to be publish your app. Okay, so the publish app is going to be published on our showcase. Okay, we are going to have as I explained in my last webinar on xbesh.com, we are building one option here on the top, which is going to be showcase. Okay, right now, as you can see here, download link is here, get started button is here, and we have made our website live already. So we have now 3 plans. One is free, which comes with 200,000 neurons per month. The pro plan, which is $49 per month, which comes with 5 million neurons, and the creator plan, which is $499 a month, and it comes with 10 million neurons per month. But you can understand the creator license comes with so many amazing options, which you can just go through here, creator.xbesh.com. We'll talk about it after this session. Okay, so from here, you can actually see we are going to have like all the showcase page, and this showcase gallery is going to be a place where your all projects will be displayed. Okay, we will see whether this project is good or not, if it can be published on our page, on our showcase page or not. If it is good, okay, there are some certain criteria, we'll talk about those criteria. If it is good, we will definitely publish your app inside this option. Okay, apps are xbesh. Tony, yes, we have made the download links live. I will just cross check with the Milan. I think we have link there on the xbesh.com, but I will just cross check with the Milan also. Okay, so yes, now that's how you can upload your app and you can publish them on the App Store. Plus, in the showcase of xbesh.com, you can publish your projects, all of users. You don't have to be creator to publish your project on showcase. But showcase is not going to generate money for you, but showcase is going to give you the traction on your website or your product. So I'll give you an example. Okay, let's say you have built a platform for web compliances. Okay, and your web compliances product is going to give you some kind of compliance widget on any platform, and you are looking for users for that. This product is very, very useful for all the website owners and all the app owners. If you want to just get quick traction, you can actually just showcase your product in our xBesh showcase option, showcase page, and from there you will start getting traction. You will start getting traffic on your own produced app. Make sure this app should be produced by xBesh only. Okay, so it cannot be some other random app you can publish on showcase like a page. All right. So these are the updates we have released recently. In the deployments, you can see we have all the deployments. We have a dedicated deployment page now. So all the deployments, whatever we have deployed so far, Naresh, you can see here on the deployments also. So let's say I have more than 60 projects deployed on Vercel and Netlify. Okay, so it will fetch all the list of all the projects. Okay, it will fetch all the list of projects and it will show, see, almost 60 projects deployed here. And the last projects, 2 projects, Naresh user and xBesh 4093. These are the 2 projects we have just made live 26 minutes ago, and this was live 24 minutes ago. So now you can actually have these 2 options from here. You can just open this page this particular app from here, whether it has been deployed or not. So you don't have to go to the Vercel to just test your projects anymore. Okay. Uh, Now I will just, it is being loaded. And this was the project which we have published also. So these two projects we have just made live from our like link from this deployment option. So these are available here. This is the first project, and this is the second project. Okay, so that's how you can check the deployments from the deployments page, which is already live on xBesh. All right, so this is the deployment section. Now inside the creator, this is very important to understand for the all the creator users. Okay, inside the creator, we have created an extensive settings for just creator profile, which is going to be visible inside the hire a creator page. And here to hire a creator option, I can see like 4 users have already created their profile here. Uh, but you understand, you can actually manage all your things from this page more in more professional way. Okay, I will show you how. First of all, you have the basic information. You can provide your name, your professional title, company name, your location. Your profile picture is being fetched automatically, but you can change if you want to change your profile picture also. Okay. um, you can have your professional details, like about yourself, about your experiences, your response time, your LinkedIn profile, how much basic service you charge. But you don't have to worry about this section at all. I have added a service package option here. So inside the service package, you can add till 3 services: one, service 2, and service 3. And you can provide these 3 services with the price and with the time duration also. Okay, so you can sell any 3 services using like being a creator. And you can connect your own Stripe account, your own Stripe PayPal payment gateway account, by just click on this button. See, Stripe account is connected. And as these are the charges for Stripe. We are not going to take any commission on this. This is going to be the commission for the Stripe. So everywhere, either if you are just selling your app inside the app store, okay, or you are selling your services as a creator on in a hire a creator a section here, every money will directly go to your Stripe account. Okay, by just connecting your Stripe payment gateway from here. If you just go to the creator profile, you can connect your payment gateway of on like Skype from this button. Okay, and this is the profile preview. You will see how your preview is going to look like. So whatever settings you are doing here on the top, it is going to be visible here. Okay, so you can see how it is going to look like, and then you can just change it accordingly. All right. uh, so now, yeah, no, Bob, I will just fix that local host option. I have just actually fixed that already. I will push that code after this webinar. I just realized that whenever we are just trying to get an image URL from the dev link, it is taking some kind of, okay. So I think our logo has been changed. Don't worry, Bob. I will update it to the xbash.dev. Okay, you don't have to use localhost at all. All right. I'm going to run this now. Let me refresh it once. Okay, here we go. I'm going to run this now. And bingo. It's going to run. Just take a few seconds. Sorry for my computer is a bit slower right now because of the recording is happening and the video is streaming. Just wait. It's hanged right now. We'll just wait for a few seconds. Oh, let me just refresh it once. I will just close other links. The consuming the space in memory. Okay. Now I will just click on this button and start the development server. Is being run now. Okay. You see the logo has been updated here because logo image is white, as you can see here. This is white. That's why it's not visible completely. Okay. So if you can't see it, I can show you by just adding some kind of invert. Uh, I mean, guys, can you see the logo here? I mean, it is visible for you here. See this logo? It is xBesh logo image. It's a white actually. That's why it's not completely visible. If you can see this image has been updated already. Okay. Even you can see in the code, the image of your logo, the logo which we had shared, this one, it has been uploaded and it has been updated also. Let me show you the code. You see, it is there now, xBash logo. See this one. So that's how you can use any image, but you don't have to worry about it. I'm here to help you. I'm going to add one button like here, so you can just choose images from the media gallery. So you don't have to pass the link and copy paste the stuff at all. Okay, it is going to be easier for you to just choose any image or any file whichever you want to use. All right. Okay. Now next thing. This is about xBash. Now, the new project, the new thing which we are actually making live, this is very important to understand. We are going to have one section live. We call it project of the week. Okay. This project can be from any user, any creator. Okay. And from Team xBash also. I will give you an example. All right. I'm just going to open one project for you to show you. Like this is going to be the next project of the week, and this section is it is going to be every Saturday. So on every Saturday, this is going to be the project of the week, and the project of the week is going to be accessible for all the users. They can buy it, and it is going to be always at one time price. It is not going to be it is going to be for a week, and after a week it is going to be like gone. So it is going to be, we are opening a daily like a lifetime deal for our creators apps. Okay. So I'll give you an example. Let's say you become a creator. Okay. And you have as I promised that I will generate you money, or I will refund your money. So the money which you are investing, let's say $3,000 you're investing with us, I will get you $3,000 like back by just minimum $3,000 back by just making this money for you. So we are going to work on your apps by like closely, and we will launch these apps as a project of the week. Okay. So I will give you an example. This is going to be the next project of the week on Saturday. And this project is called Koala Atom. Okay. This is our first project, and it's going to be project of the week. I will show you what it does. Just a moment. So the koala atom is going to be, let me just open it for you. Just a moment. Let me just open. Yes, here we go. So this is the project, okay? And this project is called Koala Atom. And Koala Atom is an amazing platform for all the users. What they can do, they can convert any project. And this is integrated with the xBesh. All the projects are integrated with the xBesh, all the Koala projects. And Koala Atom is also integrated with the xBesh. So whatever you're building here on xBesh, okay, here, whatever, any app you're building, Koala Atom can convert any app to desktop app for Windows 10, Windows 11. You see, I just created one app. I'll give you an example. There are three ways to do this. You can upload your project zip file. You can give your GitHub repo URL, or you can, if your app is already live, you can just give a link of that app from the Vercel or for the Netlify directly here and the app name. And I will show you how it works. So let's say you go to the vercel.com, okay? Or I will just use a Naresh Parma link, Naresh user, GitHub. Sorry, it is not on this. It was there. Yeah. So this is what we have just created in this webinar. I'm going to use this URL in the source code, sorry, here. And you click on download and transform, okay? So download and transform is going to download your project, okay? Project is downloaded. You see now the log here. Your project is going to be converted to the desktop apps for the, it is failed somehow. I will check why it is failed, but it is going to convert the apps to the Mac OS app for the Intel version, for the Silicon M3, M2, M1 version, for the xBesh 64, for the Windows 64-bit, and for the legacy 32-bit. You can convert any web app to desktop app using this Koala Atom platform, okay? And we are you can, yes, in the future for sure, the in the next version we are going to give option to convert apps to the iOS or Android also. So it is going to be the close associate of xBash. From just to build something on xBash, and I will give one button here on the xBash which you can click on this to convert the app to any desktop application or mobile application also, okay? So Koala Item is going to be the project which is going to convert any existing platform, any existing app to your Mac OS, Windows, Linux, or iOS or Android apps. It is an amazing platform. It's going to be the project of the week on Saturday on xbash.com. And if you just go to the xbash.com, it is going to be there on the xbash.com showcase. Okay. Yes, it is going to be sold for the creators. It's going to be free. So if Ganti, you don't have to buy it. For all the creators, all the projects of the week from the xBesh team going to be free. Okay, not it is not, you don't have to buy it. For all the other, for all other users, you need to buy if you want to just use this platform. Okay, like all the projects of the week, all the applications which are coming live on on project of the week will be available for all the users to purchase, like one-time price. Okay. But if you're a creator, you don't have to buy. You will get the access of the app by default. Okay. So yeah, this is the project which we are launching on Saturday, and I'm hosting a webinar on Saturday with almost like 600 to 1,000 people. This is what I have planned. And this Koala Item I will announce. I will show the real usage of Koala Item also. Okay. And to three users, I will give the access for free. So you can join the webinar. The link of the webinar is going to be the same. I will just name the webinar, the existing one, and I will just, announce the showcase. I will announce the product of the week. I will announce the Koala Atom and couple of new features also I'm going to announce. And in that webinar, it's going to be some crazy updates, some crazy features, and some bonuses also. Okay, you will see that. All right. So this was the update about the Koala Atom and xBash for sure. Koala Atom is still in development right now. We are just building it, but by Saturday, we will make it live for all the people. Okay. I'm still testing it right now. All right. So what do you think about this platform, and what do you think about uh, it is going to be helpful for you, or what do you think about, you know, what plan I am on right now? Big. Uh, all right, all right, all right. Platform is amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you, everyone. All right, so I will just give you one like a small presentation for all the creators. If you have already just watch this presentation. You don't have to watch this like anymore. But if you are still interested to watch, you can just watch this. This is the old presentation which I just gave when I just gave you the webinar for the creators. Okay, so if you want to just like leave because this is being recorded, or if you want to stay, most welcome. Okay, all right, you can see my screen, right? Just let me know if you can see my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so first of all, I will go quick. I will not take too much time because we have spent almost 1 hour already. I will just finish it in next 30-35 minutes. Okay, no worries. All right. So first of all, the xBesh 1.2.3 is built for monetization powered by you. Okay. And this update doesn't just improve the product, it unlocks your income engine. As I told you, it is going to be faster, smoother, and smarter vibe coding. How many of you know about vibe coding? Okay. Just how many of you know about vibe, or how many of you don't know about vibe coding? Just tell me. Do you know about vibe coding? Tell me, please, please. If you don't know, say no in the chat. If you know, yes, say yes in the chat. Teddy, of course you know. All of course you know. Okay. Gom to me says no. Perfect. Clinic says no. Corbin say no. Perfect. All right. So let me just introduce myself. I am Madhav Datta. I'm the CTO. I'm the Chief Data Scientist of xBesh AI. I drive the AI and data strategy behind the xBesh. I've been building intelligent systems that empower creators to launch and monetize apps fast. Okay. You know why I built xBesh? This is my explanation. I'm a developer myself. I know the pain of quality projects never leaving the hard drives or your brain or your Google Drives. I built xBesh to break that barrier. So to make it easy for the creators to build, publish, and profit. Imagine if I was in 2023 or 2022, I was building a project called xBash. And if I was building one page of xBash, it was taking me 2 days, 3 days time to build something like that. Now it takes me just few seconds to build using xBash. And that is the power of AI and the power of vibe coding. All right. So I will just bypass this part. Okay. Let's talk about okay, from here. Let's talk about the vibe coding now. Vibe coding is a world where you don't follow trends, you create them. Okay. Imagine, imagine when you have to build something like ChatGPT. Okay. How difficult for you to build ChatGPT? I'm sure most of you, like 99.9% users in this webinar, are not able to build something like that. But using xbash, I will give an example. Go to xbash.com. Okay, go to xbash.com. I will just open the xbash.dev here, and you just have the ChatGPT template here, ChatGPT clone. You click on clone button. After clicking on clone button, your clone will be your repo will be cloned inside the xbash.dev, and just one click you can deploy your ChatGPT app. And by just giving the commands like in English or in any language, xbash understands more than 700 languages. You can give commands in any language, and you can change or you can ask anything to change anything. Imagine this thing was not possible 2 years ago, not even possible 1 year ago. Okay. Vibe coding is something like your vibe becomes the product. Okay. If you have an idea, you don't have to know code. So there's no code. Okay. You don't have to wait for developers. You don't have to have the gatekeepers. You don't have to invest money. You don't have to, just your idea, your product, your power, and your money. Okay. When I'm saying your money, I'm talking about the earnings. I'm not talking about the spendings. Okay. So the first time ever, the playing field is level. Anyone with imagination can now become a builder, a seller, a creator. And here's the truth: the next wave of digital creators won't be developers. Okay. The next wave of creators is going to be vibe coders. And the vibe coding is something which you can just use your normal idea, your language, any language, English, Spanish, Arabic, French, Russian, Hindi, any language you can use, and you can build your own product. And it's so easy. You can just start by a single prompt, or you can start with a template. You can start with the existing GitHub repos. Okay. I will ask you an example. I will ask you one question, guys. Why most creators never launch anything? Even, after having xBesh, I will tell you why most creators never launch anything. Okay. Do you think they are lazy? It's because they are overwhelmed or confused? Do you think they are afraid to start or don't know how to do this? So what do you think, guys? Like all of you, like if you just have this thought, I want to start something, what is stopping you? What is holding you back? Okay? Too complicated and lots of staff. That is your thing. Like got stuck, confused, feel is too hard. Okay, perfect. What else you think? What else? Like what is stopping you? I mean, if it is there are two steps, I would not say Ganti because I'm available on Telegram group. I'm available on Telegram. I'm available on Telegram call. I don't think this is just your excuse. I would say that. Okay, you don't you. I'm going to have one-on-one with you after this web session. All right, I will tell you. Okay, I will tell you why. Because okay, it's not just, honestly speaking, it's not just because they're lazy. It's not because they are overwhelmed about something, or they are not tools available in the market, or they just are afraid to start. There are some other reasons. Okay, let me ask you honestly: have you ever had a great idea but you didn't know where to start? How many of you have ideas but you don't know how to start this? Okay, and today in this webinar for all users, I will tell you the steps, the 5 steps to build your product, to deploy it, and to monetize it. And I promise I'm going to share this case study on Saturday. Okay, on the Saturday webinar, I will share my complete case study of building app, Koala Atom. I've been building on xBesh. This whole project, believe me, this whole project I built on xBesh. I will share with you the whole case study of Koala Atom, from building to deploying to monetization. Okay? To tell me, do you have any idea? Do you have, like, have you ever had any great idea which but you don't know, or you didn't know how to or where to start? Okay? Have you tried to build something but got stuck with tech, tools, or templates? Please say yes in the chat or share your experience in the chat. I'm just reading the chat right now. Tell me, always felt too expensive. Okay, very good. Okay, yes, you said yes. Corbin says yes. Joffrey says yes. Okay. Uh, Jeff says yes. Okay. Anybody else? People are saying because of tools, because don't know how to do this. Start, but if something breaks, don't know how to fix it. Very good. Tried, but developers couldn't do it. Very nice. Not with the current tools. Okay. So many ideas, but unable to create. Okay. Yes, I always hard turns to thousands to build an app. Very good. Imagine, imagine if you have, I was one of the developers who was working for internet marketers, for the publishers, for the people who were building apps. I had a team of 120 people in 2015 till 2012 till 2016, and I was building applications, softwares, mobile apps, web apps for other people. I was charging just few thousand, a few $100, and they were making millions. And I was thinking like, what they're doing, how they're actually launching these products, how to get the initial traction. And I always get stuck in the like a egg and like a hand kind of like a paradox. I don't know where to start. What should I do first? And I was watching other people, and I was wishing I wish I could do that also, right? And after launching xbash, see, using xbash, I generated over $275,000 in just 7 days launch. Okay. And believe me, it was not my first product. Before that, I've launched multiple projects already, generated over $3 million in the revenue, almost 40,000 customer base, and I sold that company in 2023. And how I did this? It's so easy. Okay. Do you doubt your skills or your time, or whether anyone would even care? Okay. If you just care about those things, or you still waiting for the perfect tool or build your app, trust me, you are not alone. Okay. Because it starts like this. Everyone, even today, if I'm going to start something like Koala, like Atom, or Koala Hub, or let's say Koala Bot, or let's say Koala Cart, I've been working on these four projects together, and I'm still thinking how can I just like initiate these projects. How can I just start launching these platforms in the market? How can I just start generating some recurring revenue out of this? So vibe coding, believe me, is 97% faster than the traditional development. I've been a developer myself. I've been a data scientist. I'm a full stack developer. I have done a lot of development, like in different various languages. And today I'm using vibe coding. Okay. And vibe coding is more than 97% faster. Believe me on that. I will show you. I will give you a live example in this webinar. Vibe coders launch 10 times more projects than traditional builders. You believe me, I built four projects using xbash in this month. In the last month of July, I built Koala Cart, I built Koala Hub, I built Koala Bot, and I've been building Koala Atom. Four projects in a month alone. You cannot believe into. I mean, imagine this scenario in 2022. I was having a team of like developers, and I was building something. And believe me, one e-commerce website I was building for my friend, one e-commerce website took 2 months to build from scratch. And today, one e-commerce website will take just half an hour or 1 hour maximum to build from scratch. And I'm talking about building, testing, running, deploying, and making it live on your custom domain. Okay. So if you can click, you can type, and you can imagine. If you can think, okay, you can vibe code for sure. So it takes your energy, intuition, xbash AI, and your finished product. First of all, to all of you, I'm telling you, if you have any kind of problem, okay, any kind of, you have my Telegram account. You can connect me on Telegram. If okay, your first step is to raise a ticket at support@xbash.com. Okay. The second, if your ticket is not replied within 24 hours, connect me on Telegram and drop me a message. I promise I will get back to you and I will get your problem resolved. Okay. No matter what license you are, if you're a basic user, if you're a basic license holder, or even if you're a free account holder, just follow these two steps. Okay. Raise your ticket. If you're not getting reply, connect me on Telegram and let me know whether your ticket is being replied or not. Okay. Because on the community side, right now we are planning, because in this month we are going to cross 10,000 users. Once we have 10,000 users, community is not going to be helpful. So for the community is going to be just the knowledge base, the videos, the training material, the showcase, and all kind of social activities, or kind of training material, training activities. And so community is not going to be raise your support tickets at all. So this month we are just diverting all support system to the proper support team. Like we are hiring already, we have hired 2 people in the support team. 2 people will be hired by the weekend, and we will have 4 people round the clock replying your tickets. Okay. All right. So it takes just energy plus intuition plus xbash AI to finish a product. Vibe coding doesn't just build; it launches, monetizes, and scales. Okay. And as you know, Jansen Huang said one day, like I mean, couple of months back, the time to no code. English is going to be the next coding language. The Y Combinator is focusing on vibe coding a lot. I'm sorry. If you go to YouTube, you can see people are posting using Replit, using vibe coding platforms like xbash. They built $30,000. Some people are saying we built I built $10,000 a month. Some people are saying $100,000 a month. Some people are saying 15,000. And one lady, she was a like a vibe coder. I took a 2-day vibe coding class and successfully built a product. Here are my biggest takeaways. And I got these screenshots from authentic websites like YouTube, like Reddit. All of the articles are from there. I'm 37-year-old mom who makes $6,300 a month in passive income. Here's my best advice for starting a side hustle. If what if I told you turning your idea into income didn't need months or team or tech, right? I will give you an example. Me alone, okay? I'm a coder myself, but believe me, to build Koala Atom, Koala Cart and Koala Hub, I built on live sessions. I'm sure there are users. Who is here? No, we don't have any Discord server, sir. We have one community, and we are going to have the support, which is going to be inside the xbash. Okay, I will show you where. I will show you where. Okay, inside the xbash, you will see it will be live before Friday. Okay, we are going to have just a moment. Let me show you. Wait. Where's the chat? Where's the chat? Yeah, here we go. Inside the xbash, it is going to be inside your account. Oh, wait. It is going to be inside your account. We are going to add one option here, support. Okay. Inside the support, your tickets will be inside the xbash only. So you can manage your support. You will get your replies here only. If you are sending email on support@xbash.com with your registered email address, you will be able to see your tickets inside the xbash also. I will give you the demo on Saturday about this feature. Okay. All right. Uh, Plus, you can join the community also about this. Okay. Now, let's talk about this thing I always mention. Okay. This thing I always mention. You know what is stopping you? You've been thinking like a user. Always. You're thinking like a user. You're not thinking like a creator. Okay. What if you could think like a creator? Like I'm thinking like a creator. I'm building something. Okay. I built this platform from scratch on xbash, and I'm going to deploy it on Vercel. And I will share my whole case study of this platform from building from scratch to testing to deploying and to monetizing. I will give you this whole case study on Saturday webinar. Okay, join that webinar for sure. I just kept it on Saturday because everybody is available on Saturday, so there will be no excuse that you have a job or you have a work or something. You can just join the webinar on Saturday. It's going to be amazing, and it's going to be really crazy for all the users, especially for the creators. Okay, but I have a good news for you. This changes everything. Okay, vibe coding has arrived. You've seen drag and drop, you've seen AI, you have seen like a different SaaS era, but you have never seen them come together like this. Like today, vibe coding isn't just a new way to build, it's a way to create, launch, and monetize anything you can imagine. Okay, let me tell you one thing. If I can do something, why you can't? A man has done, a man can do, right? okay, if you're getting a problem, let's say Naresh said, I don't know how to deploy. I just gave a small demo. This is how you can deploy. I've been given the demo minimum 100 times before in the live sessions, in the live webinars, in the live testing webinars, testing sessions in the community. But still, if he's having some trouble, I'm still trying to just help him. And in the webinar, he said, yes, yes, I just could deploy. Yes, Naresh, I will just share his message here with you. Naresh, are you here? Can you just share if you could deploy the app after just when I just gave you the demo, just in this webinar. If you can just share your experience, if you hear. I think he's here or not, I'm not sure, but I will just show you. Uh, Manoj Thakur is saying, is Mails app is still working? Manoj, you know what? Next week, we will build Mails app from scratch, including the N8N integration. Okay. And I promise I will make it open source for all the users. So you guys can have your own email autoresponder, and I will build this on xBesh only. All right. So, where was the message? I just missed it, I think. Let me check. The same webinar, Corbin, the same webinar is going to be updated. I will give you, I'll send you the update also. Okay. Just a moment. I'm just looking for the message of Naresh here, which he said, yes, I could deploy now. All right. I think it's way back somewhere. All right. Anyways, so yeah, so he could deploy that. Imagine where if you're just getting some kind of trouble, you can just drop me a message. We can connect on Telegram, and you can just get your problem resolved. Or if you're in this webinar, if you want to share your video or your live screen, we always do testing webinars. Like in the community, you can join there and you can just ask your questions. Okay. So first of all, you don't have to have tech skills. If you think your tech skill is stopping you, your no code skills is like I mean your coding skills is stopping you, or your kind of your tools. XBash, I'm not able to deploy the project. I'm not able to build something. Don't know how to do this. I'm an expert, but I don't know what to do. If you're an expert, or if you are just a newbie, and if something is stopping you, you can just take the help from community, or drop me a message on Telegram. Okay. So using xbash, no tax skills, no code delays, no code required. There are no delays, just your vision and the vibe. Okay. So for xbash vibe coders, you can connect your Stripe, publish to your marketplace. You can get hired without writing a single line of code using xbash creators community. And as I showed you in this, like in the starting of the webinar, that in the xbash right now, you can actually have this option to, I will just run it on localhost. Wait just a moment. I will show you, because this is available inside the localhost only, because I have not deployed it yet. But I will show you once again. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to start this now. Sure, Terry. You can drop me a message on Telegram. Terry, you can. Okay, I will do one thing. All right. I will do it right now. I will just share a calendar in the community of Telegram with the creators. Terry, if you are in that group, you can just like book your slot and just have a call. Okay. Let's have anybody who's having trouble. I'm free tonight. Let's have a call or let's have a group session, group meeting. If you're interested to have a call about your issues, okay, I will I will just do a session with you tonight. Or let's do this. I mean, why should I wait? Let's do this. I'm going to create a webinar here right now in front of you. Let's do this right now. And I will just do a meeting. Right now it's 10:20 p.m. I will create it for, let's say, 12:30, okay, a.m. And I'm going to create a meeting, not webinar. So I'm going to schedule a meeting from here. Live helping or Q&A session, Q&A session. Anybody who's interested, if you are interested, just join this meeting. Or if you have any trouble, join this meeting, okay? I'm going to do this around, let's do it at 2 a.m., okay, my time, which is going to be approximately 5 hours from now. I will keep it for 2 hours. My time, registration is required for sure. And your passcode is going to be this. So I'm sharing the passcode of this meeting in the chat. Okay, copy this passcode and there will be a waiting room and everybody will be able to communicate and save. And this is the meeting. You can join. I'm going to schedule it and here we go. Okay, anybody in this, whoever is in this webinar having trouble, please join this meeting, okay? And it is going to be in next 5 hours. You can join, and this is going to be Q&A, and I'm going to help you on the real. If you have lost your tokens, if you have a trouble in just managing your project, if you have a trouble in making it live or something, if you want to learn something, still you can join this meeting, okay? This meeting I have created and shared with you. All right. Okay, so let's get back to this. This is for the new users, for the people who are coming here first time, or they have not just upgraded themselves to a creator. Okay, so first of all, this is the new version of 1.2.3. Now we have amazing options. Yes, I was showing you the option of xBesh. So you see, now we have the option to have your creator profile. This creator license comes as a the most advanced license of xBesh. So if you are a creator, okay, you can have your portfolio on xBesh. Your profile is going to be visible inside the hire a creator option. So on hire a creator community, your profile is going to be visible like this. Let's say Terry, okay? So Terry actually has a profile and she has created a consultation option. She has written about herself. Anybody can book Terry. Terry has not connected her Stripe account yet. So right now nobody can actually hire her because payment is not set up yet. But after this live, the version which we are working on right now, before Saturday, Terry will be able to connect her Stripe account and anybody can actually hire Terry to help her or him to build her or him app. Okay, because Terry is a vibe coder and Terry is going to actually take help from the community, from us, from me in our Telegram group. So to help others also. That is the power of being creator. Plus, if you're a creator, if you have built something, you can publish your apps inside the app store, which I already showed you. This is our xBesh app store. Imagine if you got a chance to publish your first app in the first 6 months of Android or Apple Store came. Okay, imagine, think like that. Tomorrow or after a couple of months, when we have thousands and millions of users, your apps are going to be visible for all the people, and they will be able to use them. They'll be able to buy them. So that this is going to give you a lot of opportunity. Okay, it's going to give you the tremendous opportunity to showcase your work and to generate some crazy revenue also. Okay. So what's new in the xBesh v1.2.3? Now we are working on v1.2.4. So this 1.2.4 is going to be more amazing. Okay, this 1.2.4 is going to have the best feature, which is going to be creating agents and integrating your N10 account with or N10 workflow with xBesh. It is going to give you the tremendous and amazing power to work on your workflow, to create a workflow, to work on it, to deploy it, and to run it. And you can just manage it using your xBesh. I will show you in the next week. We will talk about that. But this is the future plan. Next week or after 2 weeks plan. Okay, for xBash we 1.2.4. But what we have right now in 1.2.3, we have next level workspace option. We have sync and token intelligence. We have smarter connections, smoother experience. Our new workplace marketplace is live. Our showcase is live. Our new website is live. New plans are live. Creators, all the creators are going to have affiliate program, so they will be able to sell xBash, and they can actually make monthly subscription also. Okay. So what makes establish oneself a vibe coder? Getting a few apps published or any specific criteria? See, if you have published your 3 app default, okay. All right. I think my computer is hanging or something. I'm not